go. They're gonna do it soon. They're gonna do it soon. Sounds like. Got a good thing in. I'm just gonna get you. When's it going off? I don't know. It's coming.
Think they're gonna go off?
I think they are. Yeah.
Did they say that?
I don't know. I think that's what they're getting ready to do. Let's see. They're starting to. Let's see. Here we go. The police is going.
There goes the police car. Watch that, Zach.
Yeah, this is coming. Oh, just look right there. The red lights are on. Next to the fire engine after that. 911 on it. Let's see. Let's wait.
I don't know if the truck's going out. We'll have to ask.
It might. Actually, they said they might. They might go out.
Oh no.
What time is it? Pass. Let's wait. Who's the police? Yeah, the trucks go out too, they told me. But we have to probably move when they start. When you hear the siren, you'll know.
Oh, yeah.
This is great. I did not know. Yeah, I did
I
know.
like it too. Let's see if they set it up. Alright. There's the fire. See if we want to get a good view of this. Yeah, let's wait. Alright. Let's wait a second.
Tatiana?
Oh, I know him.
She's with the dog. Sarah. That's so funny. That's what we did last year.
See if they're gonna set it off soon.
If you want to be in the parade, walkers, please get behind the fire rescue truck. Bikes, please get behind the first fire truck.
Come on, Eileen, let's be in the bike.
Here it
As soon as
is.
we get everybody in position, we will be ready to begin while we still have some sunshine.
Here we go. So they do that soon. Excuse me.
In front.
Hold on, I need to get in front.
He's taking pictures. You want to ride up there with him?
Oh, excuse me, guys.
Sorry.
Sorry. There's the fire truck. There always is.
Trying to figure out where we're supposed to go.
The yellow lights on that one. Yeah. We'll put that off soon.